Hi dear students, welcome to online education program. So, this is the case for index number. So, in the previous class we calculated Laspeyres method, Posters method and Fisher index method. So, one more problem as to we have to get the solution for this case. So, here construct a Fisher's, Posters and Laspeyres index number from the following table. That is, the table is given commodity, then base year price, base year quantity, base year price, current year price and current year quantities are given. So, this is called it as, these two are called it as, that is base year 0, that is called it as P0 Q0, P0 Q0, and these two are called it as current year P1 Q1, P1 Q1. So, that is commodity A, B, C, D, E, 5 commodities are given. So, based on that have to develop the index numbers under Laspeyres, Posters and Fisher index number. Now, solution is have to get the table for calculation of the P1 Q0. Now, the commodity P0 Q0 P1 Q1. So, commodity A, B, C, D, E. So, here P0 is, so this is the price, base year price 8, 5, 8, 2, that is the product of commodity B, 2, 1, 2, 1. So, this is the base year price P0, base year price 8, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now, base year commodity is, this is the base year quantity or base year quantity is 5, 15, 20, 10, 40. This is the base year commodity. Now, current year price is 26, 2, 5, 3. Now, current year quantity is 26, 10, 25, 8, 30, 8, 30. Now, three methods are asking: Laspeyres, Posters and Fisher index. Now, calculate P1 Q0, then P0 Q0, P1 Q0, then after that P0 P1 Q1, then P0 Q1. So, P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 as to calculate. So, P1 Q0, so multiplication of these two, that is a 1. So, 5 into 20, 100, 15 into 6, 15 into 6, 30, 90, 20 into 4, 20 into 2, 40, 20 into 40, 10 into 5, 50, then 40 into 3, 120. Then after that P0 Q0, the multiplication of these two will get second column, that is 8 into 5, 40, 12 into 2 into 15, 30, 1 into 20, 20, 2 into 10, 20, 1 into 4, 40. Then P1 Q1, this is P1 Q1, that is the third will get 20 into 26, 20 into 26, 0, 0, 2, 520, 520, then 6 into 10, 60, 2 into 25, 50, 5 into 8, 40, 3 into 30, 90. Then after that P0 Q1. So, this multiplication of these two will get the fourth table, that is 8 into 26, 8 into 26. So 8 into 26 will get 208. 208. Then after that 2 into 10, 20, 1 into 25, 25. So 2 into 50, 100. Then 1 into 30, 30. 1 into 30. P0 Q1, 208, 20, 25, 25, 2 into not 50, 2 into 8, 2 into 8, 2 into 8, 16, then 1 into 30, 30. Now we have to take the total summation of these 4 columns, of 4 calculation column summation, that is 190 plus 40 plus 50 plus 120. So that is we will get 400, 400. Now this is 40, 80, 80, 150, 150. Then this is 520 plus 60, 580, 580, 580, 630, 670, 670, 760. Then here so 9, 9, 4, 5, 5, 9 and 2. So 299. So now calculate under 3 methods. One is Laspier's method. Laspier's method. P naught 1 equals sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So sigma P1 Q0 is sigma P1 Q0 is 400. So 400 divided by sigma P0 Q0 is 150, 150 into 100. So now 400 divided by 150 into 100, that is 2.666 recurring into 100. So we will get 266.67 under Laspier's method. Like that, Pasch's method, Pasch's method, Pasch's method. So P naught 1 equals sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1, sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Now sigma P1 Q1 is 760 divided by sigma P0 Q1 is 299 into 100. Now 760 divided by 299, so it will comes to 2.5480 into 100. Now 2.8 into 2.548 into 100, so 254.80. This is the ultimate value under the Pasch's method. Now under Fisher's method, so P naught 1 equals square root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. This is the formula. Now square root of sigma P0 Q1 is 400 divided by 150 into 760 divided by 299 into 100. Now square root of this, simplify this, so 2.666 into 2.5480 into 100. Now multiplication of these two, that is 6.7944 into 100. 6.7944 into 100. Now square root of 6.7944 into 100, that is simplify, you have to cancel the square root, 2.6066, so into 100, then 260 into 6.66, this is the Fisher value index. So this is the case for the 10 marks for the point of examination. Base year price and base year quantity is given, current year price and current year quantity is given. So base year price is called as P0, current year quantity is called as a Q0. What is that? Base year quantity is Q0, current year price is called as P1, current year quantity is called as a Q1. So that is the table has to develop. According to that, then has to P1 Q1, calculate that column, that is multiplication of P1 Q0, then P0 Q0. So that is the P0 Q0 has to calculate, then P1 Q1 multiplication of these two column will get the multiplied value of P1 Q1, then P0 Q1 multiplication of first column and fourth column will get the fourth column values. Now we have to take the summations or the total summation of P1 Q0 is 400, summation of P0 Q0 is 150, summation of P1 Q1 is 760, summation of P0 Q1 is 299. So based on this value to calculate the index number under last year's method, so that is a P01 equals summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q0 into 100. Simplify this, so that is 266.67. Under last year's method, so P01 equals, that is index number equals summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. So that is simplify this, so we will get the index value is 254.80. Then last year's method just has to take the multiplication of these two, that is the index value of under Fisher's method. So square root of P1 Q0 divided by P0 Q0 into summation of P1 Q1 divided by summation of P0 Q1 into 100. So I have to apply the values and simplify this, we will get the value is 260.67 under the Fisher's value. So this is the case and this is the solution for the 10 marks question. This is this question as every year. So that is in the point of examination, it can be raised for the question for 10 marks. Under it may be a what is that, a case study or for the 10 marks question. So thank you. In the next section, we are going to discuss the fourth method, that is called it as Marshall and Edwards method.